Federal prosecutors have formally asked a judge to drop corruption charges against Mayor Adams. It is the next step in a days-long battle that upended the Justice Department. As Dick Brennan reports, this comes, though, as calls for the mayor's resignation continue.
The motion for dismissal was filed by federal prosecutors in Washington and signed by Emile Bove, the acting deputy attorney general. This came after a wave of resignations from those who objected to being ordered to intervene and dismiss the case, including an assistant U.S. attorney in New York who wrote in his resignation letter, "I expect you will eventually find someone who is enough of a fool or enough of a coward to file your motion, but it was never going to be me."
It's reminiscent of the Nixon era, where you saw the president basically try to find someone who would carry out his orders in the Justice Department.
The Adams case is now in the hands of a federal judge who has to sign off on dismissal.
The attorney is going to ask the judge to withdraw the case, and the judge has questions. So the attorneys who signed off will have to represent as to why.
Governor Hochul could theoretically remove Adams from office and is said to be having conversations with her colleagues in government about the right path forward. This as the chorus calling for Adams' resignation is growing.
He should step down. He's compromised. The people are not trusting him.
But Adams insists there was no deal offered to drop corruption charges against him in exchange for his cooperation on deportation, saying in a statement, "I want to be crystal clear with New Yorkers. I never offered, nor did anyone offer on my behalf, any trade of my authority as your mayor for an end to my case. Never."
Throughout this entire ordeal, which I think no American should have to go through, the torment of 15 months that my family and I had to endure for something I didn't do. I didn't do anything wrong.
And look who's defending Adams, former Mayor Bill de Blasio.
I don't see evidence of a quid pro quo. I also think, and I've said it for a while, that the original charges brought against him appeared to me to be very flimsy.
President Trump, for his part, denied any involvement in the case.
Well, I don't know about it. I mean, obviously, I'm not involved in that.
Judges usually grant prosecutors requests for dismissal, but it's not clear how long it will take this judge to rule on the motion. Dick Brennan, CBS News, New York.